Let's make some delicious homemade sausages. This meat seasoning was mixed using the vacuum mixer. By mixing under vacuum, the seasoning is able to penetrate deeper into the meat for a richer flavor. Because the mixing was in an environment that is free of air, you're able to prevent oxidation, so you get great food that tastes fresher for a longer period of time without the food preservatives. We know adding preservatives to your food can be bad for your health.
It's very cold in the freezer. Smaller piece with some hot area. Fat. This is about 1.5 pound beef rat. And a very large portion of sauteed onion. This is 250 grams. Salt, which is 20 grams, about 2% of the weight ratio. Then 1 gram pepper. Wait until near 30.
Making sausages with the vacuum mixer was a lot of fun. There are so many new types of food you can explore with the Spruce Science vacuum mixer. If there's anything you would like us to mix under vacuum, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.